Hello and welcome to this Nutrition Maker training tutorial. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through it. Today we're going to show you how to add clients to your software program. If you're an existing customer, we hope this tutorial will make you more proficient in using your software. If you're just checking out Nutrition Maker, keep in mind we offer a free 2-week trial. There's a link down below and no obligation, no credit card required. If you do decide to sign up, there is also a coupon there for 10% off either monthly or annual subscriptions. So let's get right to it. To add a client, from the main screen, choose the Add Client button. Next, you will put in the client's name, first name, last name. You can also assign an auto ID or your own ID. You will need to put in the client's date of birth as well as their email. If the client does not wish to receive automated emails, you will check this box. Next, you'll put in the client's cell phone number if you wish to have them receive messages by text. If they do not want to receive messages by text, then either do not enter their cell phone number or check the box that says Do Not Text Client. Height information is also required, as well as gender. This information is required in order to establish requirements for calories. If you need to add additional information, such as address, occupations, referrals, emergency numbers, and items of this nature, you can add it now, or you can add it later. Also, you do have the option to not email the client about logging into their website. You may send this information later. You may wish to not send them a login information immediately until you have set up parameters for their meal plans and other information. Also note that once a client is added, they may not be deactivated for 30 days. After a client has been entered into the system, you can come to the main page, choose Open, and this will take you to the overview. If you wish to edit the demographic, or if you did not enter the demographics earlier, you can go to the section called Demographics. Here you can upload photos of your client. You can edit their client information here, as well as emails, phone numbers, addresses, emergency information, and occupation and referral information. When finished, choose the Save Client button. Thanks for watching. We hope you got value out of this, and if you did, we would appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to be kept in the loop for future tutorials, be sure to subscribe. And otherwise, we thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next tutorial.